There are several billion bricks produced worldwide every year. Brick is one of the oldest and proven building materials in the world. Bricklayer, or mason, in its turn, is one of the most popular professions. There are several million masons working in dozens of countries. This work requires high qualification, due to bricks need to be put quite accurately. At present moment, so-called additive technologies or 3D printers are gaining enormous popularity. All printers use the concept of a pixel, discrete element from which an image is formed. For printing on a paper, we use a planar pixel with two dimensions, length and width. There are also three-dimensional printers which use a 3D volume pixel, which has height, width and length. All printers have a specific resolution, which depends on the pixel size. In this case, the pixels should have stable characteristics, and the printer itself must provide high-speed printing. Built-in printers are three-dimensional. These printers are produced in several developed countries and they utilize the same working principle. There is a boom which pumps concrete with various additives and pours through the nozzle to the printing surface. The boom changes its position according to the program in the computer. Concrete acts in this case as an analog of paint in the printer, but unfortunately its hardening takes a relatively long time, and it manages to spread over the surface in the form of sags. As a result, the material for printing should combine fluidity with supply to the nozzle and virtually instant hardening, so as to quickly solidify on the printing surface. At the same time, the concrete feed rate must be high enough, otherwise the printing time will be too long. In summary, modern built-in printers have a lot of drawbacks due to the fact that it is difficult to provide stable characteristics of a volumetric pixel. Brick can be considered as a kind of a pixel from which the matrix of the house is assembled. In this case, this built-in pixel has stable, normalized characteristics in strength, appearance, and resistance to the atmospheric influence. For thousands of years, masons manually printed buildings by laying bricks. This process is similar to the handwriting. There is the question, how can we automate it? At present moment, there are several working prototypes of brick printers developed by innovative companies which use bricks for printing. This approach has a huge number of advantages. Stability of the volumetric pixel brick, and as a consequence, the predictability of the characteristics of the entire structure. Technology is proven. High speed. As a binding substance, there can be used both a traditional masonry mortar and a glue. Traditional mortar can be used to compensate the difference in bricks' dimensions by the thickness of the seam. At the same time, in this case, the speed of the bricklaying process will be lower, and there is a need in the dealing with the excess mortar. If we use the binding with the glue, all bricks must have very stable geometrical shape. We believe that the second variant is much better. So, for the robotic bricklaying, there is a need in high-precision bricks. The development of the technology of automated masonry should go hand in hand with the development of the technology that allows to produce high-precision bricks. Our company produces equipment for the manufacturing of high-precision bricks, and we will be happy to cooperate with partners developing automatic robotic brick masonry systems.